Sanskriti and I study in and today's topic is really interesting. So let's begin today's video. And today's topic is related to very interesting topic. And today we are going to discuss on your favorite topic. So we all of us like to know about something about crazy science and that. So related to that topic, our today's topic is the space and how the astronauts lives in space, where did they live and what did they do there. So today we are going to discuss about that. So let's begin today's video. And so first we are going to discuss about where did they live in the space. So they live in a space shuttle in the space, and the space shuttle is made by the 16 countries, made by with 16 countries together for astronauts, and the head of that 16 countries is NASA. NASA's helped very much to make the space shuttle in space, and the the astronauts live there to do something, experiments, and they live there for so much times. After the space shuttle is made for only that, they live there. So after that, so many astronauts have went at the space, and they do some they have done some experiments on the space, and but after 2017 no one can go on the moon from NASA. So no one so no one have sent to the moon from NASA. So I will also make a video on that to know that why they are doing like that. So they live there on space shuttle. This is our first, and they live in the space shuttle, but after that they have to suffer from very difficulties at the space. So that's why the living in the space is not easy. So what we say is that if we live on the earth, so it is hard to live on earth, because it is we can't live at alone, and we have to listen all our friends. But if you went to space, so it is very difficult to manage the culture of the space. And if don't we doesn't have to say the culture, because there is no air and nothing, there's no air and nothing in the space. So that's why there is no culture in the no weather in the space. And the look of earth is very beautiful from the space. I have watched some videos of the space. You have if you want to watch that, you can search on the YouTube, or I will also I will also copy that link in description box. So you have to watch that videos, and you can just imagine to how how it is difficult to live in space. So next is food. So we if they are astronauts, or if they are anyone, they have to eat food, because they are the people, they are the human beings. So yeah, they take fruit from earth when they are before launching, and they pack their food in the bags, in the plastic bags. And after that they cook that food in the on the earth, and then they packed in that. And after that they have to just only heat it and eat it. So, and in the space, the food will just fly, and it never falls down, because there is zero gravity. And food never falls down, or water also never falls down. And they have to eat food very carefully, and they also enjoy something while eating food, because the food never fall down at our home. When we just eating in our food, some fall down, so moms scold us very much. So we have to we have to we got something that, yeah, I don't have to just fall food. And so in the space the food doesn't fall down. After that, the next is the cleanness. So yeah, the cleanness, astronauts also want to go to washroom, use washroom. Yeah, and in space shuttle they have a washroom and they use that. So next is the brushing teeth. So how the astronauts brush their teeth? So they have a bag of the water, and they have a brush, Colgate, just like normal. But if they have to close their mouth and then they have to brush their teeth, because if they open their mouth, so they have the whole all the dirtness of their mouth, whole the Colgate which is entered in their mouth, it will be spread all over the space shuttle. And after that they have to take that the Colgate into their body, because they can't spite here and there in the space shuttle. And if they spite, so it will be spread in the space shuttle. So after that, they when they clean their mouth with the water, so they have to take that water also in their body, because they can't spite here and there in the space shuttle. So hope you get something, hope you enjoy the video, and hope you like to listen about the astronauts, and hope you get some information. And did you like the videos? You like the video at and how much did you like? Comment us and tell. So uh, one like for astronauts of our country, of our earth. And thank you guys.